How would you imagine the daily routine of the world's richest man would look like? Well, not quite as you'd expect. As the founder and CEO of Amazon, the second company in history to reach a market cap of $1 trillion and with a net worth of over $150 billion, Jeff Bezos likes to start his days slowly and calmly. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the daily routine of Jeff Bezos. In an interview for the Economic Club of Washington, D.C., Jeff Bezos revealed a routine that enabled him to start his day in a slow and calm fashion. After getting his standard 8 hours of sleep every night, Bezos likes enjoy time with his family and read the newspaper. While he doesn't like to have meetings before 10 am, Bezos also doesn't like to make any difficult decisions after 5 pm. As well, so there is a 10 am to 5 pm window where a bulk of his decision making gets done. In the interview, he said, "I like to do my high IQ meetings before lunch, like anything that's going to be really mentally challenging. That's a 10 am meeting because by 5 pm I'm like, I can't think about that today, let's try this again tomorrow at 10 am. This is a great way for him to avoid decision fatigue. Similarly, Bezos likes to stick to making 3 good decisions per day, a strategy that Warren Buffett also uses. In 2016, Bezos told Thrive Global that he likes to get 8 hours of sleep every night. On the related topic of work-life balance, Bezos opts for work-life harmony because balance tends to imply a strict trade-off to him. Bezos is a big believer in getting enough sleep. He wakes up every morning naturally without the aid of an alarm clock. He always begins the day by sharing a healthy breakfast with his wife, novelist Mackenzie Bezos, 48, whom he married in 1993. To ensure he can spend quality time with his wife and his 4 children, he never schedules early morning meetings. Bezos is famously not big on meetings in general. He is said to meet Amazon investors for only 6 hours every year. When he does arrange a meeting, Bezos employs a 2 pizza rule. He never organizes big meetings with lots of people in attendance. 2 pizzas always should be enough to feed the entire group. In the past, he was reportedly an explosive boss at times, but there are rumors that he has hired an executive coach to help him tone it down. In general, he has set a frugal ton at Amazon, which does not offer perks such as messages for free lunch at employees. Bezos has a taste for eating unusual dishes. During a meeting with Wood founder Matt Rutledge, he ordered octopus with potatoes, bacon, green garlic, and eggs for breakfast. The entrepreneur is also particularly fond of eating food served by catering trucks. In 2014, he told Henry Blodgett, editor-in-chief of Business Insider, about a hugely popular catering vehicle that served workers while parked outside Amazon's headquarters in Seattle. There is one after-dinner ritual that Bezos always adheres to. He does the washing up. It is unclear whether Bezos has a workout routine. However, photos of him taken at a recent conference cited comparison with a beefy, the Fast and Furious film actor Vin Diesel, as commenters noted his muscular appearance. Amazon now runs several popular original television series such as The Man in the High Castle, a Dylophian alternative history series set in 1962 after Germany and Japan won the Second World War, and Transparent, about the father of a Los Angeles family who turns out to be a trans woman. However, the Amazon CEO in Avant Trekkie and even made a surprise cameo in the 2016 film Star Trek Beyond. Other than watching Star Trek, Bezos has another space-related hobby, gliding about in a submarine looking for old rockets from NASA space launches. He often takes his children along for the adventure. Bezos is very disciplined and makes sure he gets plenty of rest when it's time for bed. He sleeps for 8 hours every night. In this video, we learned about the second highest richest person daily routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel, and I will be making many motivation videos and some information videos about the technology and the persons who are rich and lots of things that are happening in the world. Please turn on the bell for the latest updates of my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Signing off for today.